Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the laptop model and screen type so you know what replacement or filter fits. This matters because mounting and connector types differ. Once done, power off, unplug, and remove the battery if removable to avoid shorts. Next, open bezels using a plastic spudger and remove screws. Work slowly to avoid clipped plastic tabs. Make sure to keep screws organized and take a quick photo of the connector location, so reconnecting later is straightforward and error-free. You now diagnose whether the privacy effect is filter-related or hardware-related. Remove any privacy film and inspect adhesive and hinge fit. If issue persists, test with an external monitor to rule out GPU or software problems. Once isolated, reseat the LVDS/EDP cable at both board and panel ends to restore signal. Bent pins or loose contacts often cause partial darkening. If damaged, replace the cable or entire panel. Matching connector type and screw pattern. Reassemble carefully and verify operation before finalizing. You finish by reassembling the bezel and screws in reverse order, making sure clips seat fully and screws are snug but not over-torqued. Wipe the screen with a microfiber cloth. Once powered on, adjust brightness and any privacy filter software to verify the issue is resolved. If the screen still shows privacy artifacts or uneven dimming, double-check cable seating, try a known good cable, or swap the panel. If those steps fail, seek a professional replacement, since internal layers or polarizers may be damaged beyond.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.